In this video, I'm going to talk you through how you can make a moving platform. We're going to make two moving platforms. We're going to make one platform that moves up and down and another platform that moves right to left. First thing that I'm going to do is add a new scene object by clicking on that plus. It will be a sprite. Everything I create is going to be a sprite. I'm going to start off by creating the platform that goes up and down. So I'm going to call this moving dash up and down. I'm going to create it with Pascal, so I'm going to click on create with Pascal. Again, as always, I'm going to create mine as a solid colour, but you can draw yours, make yours look however you'd like it to. I'm then going to click save, and I'm going to select the behaviours tab. I'm going to add two behaviours to this platform. The first behaviour that I'm going to add is just the platform behaviour, so I'm going to click platform, and then I'm going to add another behaviour, so I'm going to click add behaviour again. And this time I'm going to type in rectangular movement. So rectangular movement. I'm going to scroll down till I can see the rectangular movement properties, and I'm going to change a couple of these. So the first thing that I'm going to do is change the initial position from being the top left corner to the bottom left corner. Don't need to worry too much about what that means at the moment, but every moving platform I create, I'm going to make sure it has that setting. The dimensions here are the coordinates within the game, the dimensions within the game that you want the platform to move. For me, I just want my platform to move up and down. I don't want it to move left and right. The width indicates the left and right movement. So for me, I'm going to set that as 0 because I just want it to move up and down. Height represents how many pixels I want the platform to move up and how many pixels I want the platform to move down. For me, I'm going to say that I want my platform to move up and down 300 pixels. I'm going to leave this as the same, so easing, ease in, out, shine. I'm going to change the horizontal edge duration, so that's the amount of time it takes to go from left to right, to 0, as my platform is not going to left to right. And the vertical duration, I'm going to change it from going up and down 300 pixels in 1 second to going up and down 300 pixels in 2 seconds. Now, that is all I need to do to get the platform to work. So I'm going to click apply, and on my scene objects, I can see that I've got my moving up and down platform now. I'm going to drag that into my scene, and I'm going to place it here. And I will see now that when I play my game, I have a platform that moves up and down 300 pixels, and I can jump on that and my player will move with it. Okay, so now that I've added my first platform that moves up and down, I'm going to add my second platform that moves left to right. It's pretty much exactly the same. I'm just going to change the properties slightly. So I'm going to add a new object. It's going to be a sprite. I'm going to call it moving dash left and right. I'm going to create it with Pascal. For me, again, as always, it's just going to be a solid color. Click save. I'm then going to go to my behaviors tab, and I'm going to add two behaviors. The first behavior that I'm going to add is the platform behavior, and then I'm going to add my second behavior, and this is going to be the rectangular movement behavior. So I'm going to click on that one. Same options as before. I'm going to change the initial position from the top left to the bottom left corner, or the bottom left corner. This time I do want it to move left to right, so I'm going to focus on the width, and I'm going to type in 300 pixels. So I'm saying I want it to move left and right 300 pixels at a time. I don't want it to move up and down at all, so I'm going to change that to 0. I'm going to keep the speed with this first setting of easing as ease in, out, shine. I'm going to change the horizontal duration, so the amount of time it takes to move left to right 300 pixels, from 4 to 2. My platform is not moving up and down at all, so I'm going to change the vertical duration from 1 to 0, and that is it. I can click apply, and now I can add my next platform to my game. So I'm going to put it in there, and when I preview it now, I've got my initial moving platform that's going up and down, and then I've got the second one that I've added going left and right.